A glue gun is a versatile tool used for various crafts, repairs, and DIY projects. It uses a solid adhesive stick, typically made of thermoplastic, which is melted and dispensed through the gun's nozzle. Glue guns come in different sizes and types, but the most common are the low-temperature and high-temperature glue guns. Here's some information on glue guns. Types of glue guns. 1. Low-temperature glue guns. 2. These guns operate at lower temperatures, usually around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 121 degrees Celsius. 3. They are suitable for bonding delicate materials like foam, fabric, and paper. 4. The adhesive from low-temperature glue guns cools and solidifies quickly. 5. High-temperature glue guns. 6. These guns operate at higher temperatures, often reaching around 380 degrees Fahrenheit, 193 degrees Celsius. 7. They provide stronger bonds and work well with materials like wood, plastic, metal, and ceramics. 8. The adhesive from high-temperature glue guns takes longer to cool and offers a stronger hold. Choosing the right glue gun. 1. Consider the project. Determine the type of materials you'll be working with and choose a glue gun accordingly. 2. If you'll be working with delicate materials, a low-temperature gun is preferable. 3. For heavier and stronger bonding, a high-temperature gun is recommended. 4. Wattage. Glue guns come in various wattages, indicating their power output. 5. Higher wattage guns heat up faster and maintain temperature better, resulting in more consistent glue flow. How to use a glue gun. 1. Plug in the glue gun and allow it to heat up for a few minutes. 2. Insert a glue stick into the rear of the gun. 3. Once the glue stick is in place, give it a moment to melt. 4. Press the trigger gently to dispense the melted adhesive through the nozzle. 5. Be cautious while using the glue gun, as the melted glue is extremely hot and can cause burns. 6. Avoid touching the nozzle and keep it away from flammable materials. 7. Apply the glue to the desired surface and press the materials together firmly. 8. After use, unplug the glue gun and allow it to cool down. 8. Be careful not to touch the hot glue. Safety tips. 1. Always use caution when operating a glue gun to avoid burns. 2. Keep the glue gun away from children and pets. 3. Use the glue gun on a heat-resistant surface or a designated glue gun mat to prevent damage to your work area. 4. Store the glue gun in a safe place, unplugged and out of reach, after it has cooled down. When choosing a glue gun, consider your specific needs, the type of projects you'll be working on, and your budget. It's also helpful to read reviews and recommendations from other users to find a reliable and suitable glue gun for your purposes. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific glue gun you choose, as different models may have slight variations in operation and safety guidelines. Regenerate response.